Hello AMC stockholders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the AMC stock. What's going on this time in AMC stock? This is the breaking news, alert news for all AMC holders, my friends. Now my friends, this time before starting this video and before discuss more about the AMC, please I request everyone, if you listen to my voice, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, this time the latest price of the AMC, first of all let's change it out the chart. Let's change it to 1 minute chart, my friends. Now that's clear for all of you. Oh my goodness, the latest changes occur in the AMC stock as positive, you can see here. Now this time the changes after, let me zoom it, my friends, for more and better understanding, my friends. You can see here, just look here, I'm talking about this red type, you can see here this. Now from this time they started jumping, and absolutely there's a possibility of the price taken a huge pump. That's my target for AMC stock. They taken a huge pump, and after a pump the price again falls down for some time, and after that fast they again start jumping, my friends. So they gradually start has traveled, my friends. Anyways, now this time you can see that positive 1.83% changes occur in the AMC stock, and the highest price of the AMC is 53.25 USD dollar, and the opening price is 52.77 per opening price of the AMC stock, my friends. So now this time the changes is going good. That's really great news for all AMC stockholders. Share me in the comment box, how do you feel today about the AMC? And also, my friends, make sure to subscribe channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends.